Do you ever struggle with how to recreate a look that you just really love? We know what we like when we see it, right? If you struggle with the process from inspiration to recreation, then I am here to help. In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you the decision points that can make or break your thrift flip. Does your brain work like mine? When I see something like this in a thrift store, I might at first see this as something I just need to refresh, like painting it or making it a brighter gold or maybe a creamy ivory color. That would be okay. But when I push myself to think of that certain style I love, it just works. If you remember this piece I created in a previous video, I really capture the classic blue toile look. So today I want to help all of you get from that initial impression of your thrifted piece to the classic look that we love. To start, you'll have to meet the piece where it is. Decide if you need to seal the piece first with shellac or a primer coat. This is important because it prevents the piece from deteriorating. You don't want oils or previous paints bleeding through into your fresh paint. This next step will depend on what you're using for the following step. Molds, stamps, decoupage, crackle, etc. may require different base coats for success. Consider what surface works best with glue or decoupage medium, or what color may show through your distressing technique. These things matter, and thinking ahead will save time and frustration. And I have another dilemma with my 3 black kitties. I'll tell you about that in a minute. Now this is the point where the fun starts. Make it your own style. Use molds, stamps, stencils, transfers, paint inlays, or personal favorites that you print out to make this your own. Be daring, watch tutorials, practice, and try something new. Sometimes doing just that will get you out of a creativity rut and help you think of new things. And the 4th step is highlights. Add the part that puts the frosting on the top of the cake. Dark wax, gold highlights, dry brushing, distressing, all of those things are what really bring the piece to life. Going beyond with techniques that add depth and texture pushes the result to the next level. Okay, I seem to have a dilemma with my kitties every week. Last week they sabotaged my work. Bear is 5. He's big, he's chill, he's the boss. We got Grace in January at 12 weeks old. She's sweet and she's 6 months old now. Last month we got Charlie, a feral kitty from the food pantry. You'd never know he was feral. Here's the problem. Only Bear is allowed outside, but they all act like they're allowed out, and I don't know who's who. If I don't look at their ears closely, I don't know who they are at first glance. We've certainly had some close calls this week. Well, let's get back to step 5 of the video, the finishing touches. I could stop here. These pieces are complete, but they're lacking just a little bit of depth. Make your finishing touches satisfying, along with adding those highlights or lowlights that bring special appeal to your piece, applying the right top coat or wax, painting the back of the piece, or adding hardware to hang it are a few examples of finishing touches that not only bring your piece to the next level, but it also creates a sense of success and pride in your work. Remember what I started with, these mundane little pieces that could have been repainted white, but look how different these pieces are after following these simple but important steps. Take your pieces from just refreshing them or just repainting them to fully completing the look you love. I think we are all worn out here today. The products used today can be found in the links below. Thank you so much for watching.